Hello everyone, Derek with Tatango.com. Today I'm going to be demoing Kroger's RCS chatbot in Samsung's new RCS chatbot directory. So what I've done is I've mirrored my phone that I have in my hand here to the screen so you can see it. What you need to know first is with Samsung's new RCS chatbot directory, it's a directory of chatbots, as it sounds, and it is available on AT&T currently. So what is RCS? RCS is Android's new messaging protocol, which it's supposed to be the new and improved SMS or MMS, and I'll show you why when we go into the experience here for Kroger's. So first off, when you, and this is a Galaxy S9, just so if you're interested, and this all comes just right out of the package. You don't need to download any apps. It's really cool. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click Messages, and this is where I have my regular messages. For me, I'm talking to a lot of brands every day, but most people would have your family and friends kind of in this messaging area. Then you have your contacts, and then you have your chatbots. These are all of the brands, there's only a few right now, that have launched with Samsung and AT&T to be in the chatbot directory. And again, these are not SMS chatbots, these are RCS chatbots. So let's go down to Kroger. Now, first thing you do is when you click Kroger, as you just saw there, it goes to kind of a overview screen with a call option, an add option, a chat option, their terms and conditions. I'm going to click Chat. Now, the first thing that will happen is a message will be sent inbound to the RCS system, and then something will be sent back. So as you can see here, I didn't text, but it automatically texted the word chat. Essentially, that starts the chatbot. Then it sends back and isn't that pretty cool? Like, look on the screen, it has a really nice image, and then wrapped within the image is the text, and you have bold text, which, you can't really do with MMS unless you're talking about the subject, but it just looks really, really nice and put together. Also, top left-hand corner, you do see, instead of a short code, it just says Kroger. And then also, on the left-hand side, you'll see that there is a little icon, a Kroger icon, instead of just the faceless person that usually brands will show up as when you're talking about SMS or MMS. So, welcome to Kroger. Find recipes and coupons by exploring the options below. Then, if you can see on my screen here, I can actually toggle left and right, and you can see it happening on the screen. And you have all these different options. These are like smart replies. Essentially, when you click it, it actually turns into a message, an RCS message gets sent off, and then the provider knows what's happening and then will send back the appropriate information. So let's first start off with Gameday Greats. So I'm just going to click this button here. And that's pretty cool. You can't click buttons in an SMS or an MMS message. So I just got back a message that said choose Gameday Recipes, and I'm just scrolling through these Gameday Essentials and Main Menu. Main Menu would take you back to the original thing. So I'm going to do Gameday Essentials. And pretty snappy, as you can see, how quickly things are happening. So what's really cool is I love these tiles because of the fact that you can swipe left and right through them. In addition, they have the bold text, then they have the regular text, and then you can put links at the bottom, and those can go to really anything, on the mobile web. So I'm going to look through, and let's say I want party beverages, and I'm going to click View Products. That's going to take me to Kroger's mobile website and to this specific kind of category. So I'm going to go back into here, and I'm going to, again, a pretty cool experience how you can just, swipe through all these different options. Now, if I click View Products on any of the other ones, it'll take to the mobile web. So everybody gets what that is. Let's go to Gameday Recipes, because I did the Gameday Greats. I'm going to go Gameday Recipes. And as you can see here, there's going to be the apps and snacks, big game party mains, dessert favorites, drinks and more, and party dips. And then at the very, very bottom here, just like previously, if I click the little link, it goes to the mobile website for Kroger. And I think the last one down here, so if I go, and what's really cool, it is similar to kind of an app experience, but it's within a chat experience. So to go back to the main menu, I would select main menu, and then it goes back to the, welcome to Kroger. What I'm going to do is I'm going to, let's go to coupons. I'm going to click latest coupons. And that will give me a kind of an image, and you can see, you have the bold text there, then the subtext, and then you have a link. And this will take me to their mobile website to download the mobile coupons. So really, you can look at RCS messaging and chatbot specifically as kind of a jump-off point for the brand. I, use the chatbot to figure out what I want and where I want to go, and then it'll take me to it. And let's see. Let's do, we did latest coupons. Let's do easy dinner recipes. So, gonna load up, it's fall right now. Gonna load up all these different recipes. And then if I want, if I want to click on one of them, oh, this is interesting. So, okay, so I thought this would take me to a mobile website because that's what, these links have been doing previously. But instead, these ones are actually the smart replies. So they're going to send a message to the RCS provider, and they're going to say, click for more info. And because I clicked easy beef dinner recipes, now it's sent me all the easy beef dinner recipes to my phone. And then if I click view all, let's just go to, I'm a big burger person. Yes, so if I click view the recipe itself, it goes to the mobile website. So anyway, that is a demo of the brand new RCS chatbot directory, and specifically how Kroger is using RCS chatbots to engage their fans and then use it as a jump-off point to go view recipes, to buy products, to download mobile coupons, really kind of anything they want. And as you can see, pretty cool experience compared to just plain old SMS or MMS. You just can't get a lot of this kind of functionality when you're talking about SMS or MMS. So anyway, if there's any questions about the Kroger's use of RCS or Samsung's new chatbot directory, again, only available on certain Samsung devices and AT&T currently, let us know. Again, my name is Derek from Tatango.com.